Hi, I'm Edwin.
And I'm Sharon with Dame Mas Dance, and in today's Bachata tutorial video, we will be doing the crossbody lead with a turn. Okay, so today's video is on the crossbody lead with a turn, and we do this with the front and back basic of bachata. So let's just review the front and back basic, just the plain front and back basic. So 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So if the lead wants to initiate the crossbody lead with a turn, Edwin, you want to explain, isn't it better?
So I'm going to
have
my back towards the camera because as a lead, there's a change that you need to do. Because of the fact that we're going to keep our partner held in this position, we're going to step out on the counts, on the 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that I got out of her road. That's it. From here, we're going to turn her 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're not going to stop marking our step from this side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the prep move, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. For the ladies?
So for the ladies, so we want to make sure that when he starts exiting, that we stay in the same lane. So we're not going to try and exit with him because then it won't work. We have to realize that as he's stepping out, that we need to just do our normal front and back basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know that since he lifted his hand and got out of the way, that he wants me to turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just do a step through turn there. And the other thing we want to make sure, I guess, I'll turn here so you can see me talking. So we're not blocked.
Okay.
Blocked by Edwin. So the other thing that you also need to be aware of, that you have proper resistance in your arms so that you can actually respond to his cue to move back.
And here's one last of tidbit. And it's the way we hold hands. If we're actually going to do the basic pattern back and forth, we're going to use the thumb drive position, which is here. She's going to know that we're going to go straight and back. When we want to do the exit or the crossbody lead with the turn, we're going to change our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic principle. My hand now is behind hers. Now from here, I'm going to push her that way. 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically the difference is in the hand, the way you hold her hand. Thumb driving, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Regular hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
That's
yes. And I think that's it for the follow too.
Let's hit the music then.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do this. So I hope you enjoyed that bachata tutorial on the crossbody lead with a turn. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at damimasdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Damimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Damimas Dance. Thanks for watching.
See you on the next video.